I already used the correct orientation on this thing. Just going back to doing the upright. Okay, so last night put a video up about the car. Blinkers were acting kind of funny. And a rattly noise. And I was sitting there thinking, the other day I got in it to go to work and I hit the defrost button and I heard a clunk. Like one of the blend doors, was sticking or slamming. I didn't think anything of it, so I've never heard that before. And then the radio. So I use a USB drive with a bunch of music on it. That's what I normally listen to. Several times in the last couple of days, I've gotten in the car and it's reverted to FM radio. So all those put together kind of tell me that maybe that's a little low on voltage. So I ran up to Costco this morning and bought a new battery for the Cruze, and also bought a new battery for the Jimmy, because, number one, why not? And number two, I bought 2 batteries from Costco, brand new, interstates. Costco interstate, not interstate, but close. For almost the same price, actually for less than buying 2 new batteries from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. Looking online last night, the Cruze would have cost me about $260, and the Jimmy would have been about $210. So $450, almost $500 after taxes and everything for 2 batteries. I got these 2 batteries from Costco for what did I spend? $220, $240, something like that. No, more than that. It was about $280. Still expensive, but Jimmy's battery was about $110. Of course, they don't have the go handle, but oh well, it's not like you're going to be carrying these things around that often. I do have a couple of batteries that have the handles, which are nice for if you're using it in multiple vehicles, but no, the Jimmy was about 110, and the Cruze, I think, was 170. So I think my Costco membership just paid for itself for this year. Pretty happy with that. But I'm going to go ahead and drop that new battery in. Need to double check, make sure I bought the right one. You've got the standard lead acid flooded, whatever they call it when you got an AGM, and I can't remember what that stands for, but it's a different style made for more luxury cars with all the high-end goodies. Mine doesn't have that, so I think I'm pretty good. The AGM would have been another $30, $40, something like that, if I remember right. But no, pretty happy. Made out cheap this morning. Remember when batteries used to only cost about $70, $75. If that was a good one. You get the cheap ones for $30, $40. I looked at Pacific Power and Battery, because I bought from them before. The black Jeep that we used to have, the Heap, that was a zombie battery, but they didn't have anything listed for automotive. And then just jumped online for O'Reilly's and AutoZone. I think AutoZone I could get an AC Delco, but it was, I forget, a little over $200. So Costco it was. Hardly anybody in there. I should have gone shopping, but then I was going to fuel up on the way out, but they had the gas stations closed, so I don't know if they were still having power issues or what. I haven't looked to see who all's out yet today, how many people. Haven't seen the power company rolling through, but so alrighty, let me go swap that over. We'll bring you back with an update. Alrighty, new batteries in. Wasn't too difficult. Pull the hole down under the ground. This deal here, this fuse block. Push down, put a little tab. On the side there, flips up. I use a screwdriver in here because it clips onto the battery. Just in there and pulled it out. Pivots up. pulled the plate off. It is now loose. I broke a little plastic keeper down there. There's a little finger that goes into the, you can't see the slot. That snapped off. A lot of grit under there, a lot of sand. So vacuumed all that out. Just a 10 mil is all you need. Put that back on. It fits. I always write the dates when I buy the battery and where I got them from, just for my peace of mind. But it is the same size as the outgoing battery right there. This one's a 485 cold cranking amp. See a date code on it. It's a 47 class, so is the one going in. This one, can't see it. I think this is like a 600, 660 cold cranking amp, something like that. So, let's see what we lost. Little car, big guy. Odometer's still working. Checking. Hood open. Searching for devices. It starts. Yeah. It's always good when you turn the radio on, Jerry Reed's playing. So I kept my my presets. I didn't have it unplugged for more than a couple minutes, so we shall see if this fixes all my little problems. I'll do a drive into work tonight and maybe report out after I get home. I heard the doors move, but I've also had the car out this morning, so it's all warmed up. Blend doors are not stuck and vacuumed together, and that could have just been the thunk. Was the, I mean, it kind of sealed itself from all the temperature variations and humidity and whatnot. I don't know if those little doors have little seals on them or what, but everything seems to be working. So original battery got me almost 11 years, and well, when was this thing actually built? Where's the tag? Where's the tag? There it is. December of 13, so yeah. That battery was well over 11 years old. Oh, come on, try to do this one-handed. So there we go, new battery for the Cruze. Yes, it's still here. We're still trying to find a date where we can meet up. Yeah, no date code on this that I'm seeing. Detroit, Michigan, AC Delco. So what's that back there? I can't quite read that, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm just gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna clean up, get some breakfast. I haven't eaten yet. What time is it? 11:47. Got a little over an hour before I have to start heading into work. And go from there. So, alrighty, maybe we'll even get these uploaded. Like I say, I'll report out tonight or tomorrow if there's any issues or if I notice any of the same stuff. So, I drove it up to the store this morning. It wasn't acting up at all. Just very intermittent, but the battery was old. It was time for a replacement. So, coming days, maybe this Saturday, I'll take both the batteries up, get my core exchange. I'm not going to put the Jimmy's battery in it right now. It's not needed, but it's here, it's ready to go. So, alrighty. enough of this. Clean up, breakfast, go to work, make money so I can pay for all this stuff. Alrighty. There's the sun trying to poke through. Beautiful day. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.